All right, we got a bunch of goodies in the mail this week. We got the new Vitour Sonic. I think this is basically going to be the spec tire for Grid Life Track Mod this year. It's 100 treadwear, comes in a bunch of really big sizes, so that's good. Currently, all of the Track Mod guys, if you wanted the fastest tire, you had to run the Supercar 3R, which kind of sucks because it only comes in 19. It's built for a Camaro, a really heavy OEM car, so it takes a long time to build heat into them. They are fast though once you get them heated up, but I'm excited to go back to an 18-inch wheel and run the Sonics. They're supposed to be stupid fast. We're going to be doing some testing in April. I have a brand new set of Supercar 3Rs from last year that I never got to run, so it'll be good to get them both out at the same time and see how they do. I think they'll be probably faster. The nice thing is they come in a bunch of sizes, like I said before. So with the Widebody kit, we're going to a 315 in the front, a 345 in the rear for all the meets. I have not run these Forgelines in a year. Like I said, we were back on the 19s, but I'm excited to whip these out because these are a pretty badass set of wheels. Right now, I have them, this is a 10-inch and 11-inch. We've got new barrels. We're gonna go up to an 11.5 in the front and a 12 in the rear. I could probably go to a 12.5 or a 13 in the rear, but realistically, Dallas said the Sonics don't need to be stretched. The 345 was spec'd for a 12-inch wheel, so I just listened to him and went with a 12-inch wheel. I got really lucky because I can just take the rear barrel and put it on the front. So that's why I got the 11.5. I probably would have just ran an 11, but this currently has a 7-inch inner barrel where this one's an 8.5. So we can just take this 8.5 inner barrel, put it on the front, and bam, this is now an 11.5 wheel. So I'm all done. We'll have the lip in the face of the rear wheels, and I now have an 8.5-inch barrel for the rear wheels to make it a 12. It's the nice thing about 3-piece wheels. They're plug and play. If you want to change sizes, you can easily do it. It's fairly inexpensive to change. The new barrels were like $350 each, powder coated, shipped to the door, which is cheaper than me not using these wheels and getting a new set of Apexes or something like that. This is a way better wheel overall, so I'm excited to go back to an 18. How to do this? These ones specifically are hidden titanium hardware, so all the faces of the bolts are on the inside and they thread into the face. So you can't see it from the outside. A lot of 3-piece wheels just have the bolts on the outside and it kind of gives it that 3-piece wheel look, where this is a more sleek design with the hidden fasteners on the inside. They are titanium fasteners and I can reuse them, so we're going to take out, I don't know, got like 45 bolts right now and it's going to be a shit show, but let's get to it. Of these fuckers. Come on. All right, let's go clean these up.
Yeah, those are gross. Fresh batch of titanium hardware, grown in the kitchen.
We're gonna assemble some wheels. There's no easy way of doing this with the hidden hardware.
One eternity later. Now, we need to go grab the torque wrench and do that all over again. I'm actually gonna move this to the tire machine because it will hold it much better for me. Ignore this mess. We had a water line break. Pretty shitty. All right, let's get this tossed on. Bolts later. Let's actually flip this around and throw on the Vitour just for shits and giggles. Actually, I lied. I can't. We gotta put all the silicone in first, so let's finish torquing the wheels. We can do that later. Now I guess let this sit overnight. Silicone's been sitting overnight, actually 2 days, so it's good to go now. I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce on it, just because it is a little grippy. I don't wanna rip it. And we gotta lube up anyway, so. I have a feeling this tire's gonna suck to mount because it is solid as a rock. Very clearly, this is the inside. The grippy part is the outside. Alright, does it look all jazzed up over here? New sick brakes. We'll get in there. Porsche Motorsports, baby.
No,
You gotta run some fat spacers to clear, but
you need to look at my wrapping. That's cooler.
yeah, that's cooler. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, let's plop this on the ground. I mean, I got some pretty sick fender gap right now, but she needs to be hot boy slammed. It looks good. I do love these wheels. To me, this is like a true motorsports wheel. It looks good. Hell yeah.